Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into an absolute powerhouse, the MSI Codex Z2 gaming desktop. Right pointing finger emoji. Before we jump in, hit the link in the description below to grab this setup at the best deal available right now. Here's what this beast is packing under the hood. CPU, AMD Ryzen 7 8700F, 8 cores, 16 threads of Zen 4 firepower. GPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070, a 1440p and 4K monster with DLSS 3.5. RAM, 32GB DDR5, ultra-fast multitasking and future-proofed performance. Storage, 2TB M.2 NVMe SSD, blazing fast load times and tons of space. OS, Windows 11 Home, optimized for gaming and productivity. Video game emoji, gaming performance, ready for anything. Whether you're running Cyberpunk 2077, Elden Ring, Fortnite, or Call of Duty, Warzone, the Codex Z2 handles it all with ease. The RTX 5070 delivers high frame rates in 1440p and can even tackle 4K gaming with ray tracing on. Plus, with DLSS 3.5, you get AI-enhanced performance and visuals that are jaw-droppingly smooth. No stutters, no bottlenecks, just pure, fluid gameplay. Brain emoji, productivity and content creation. It's not just a gaming rig. With the Ryzen 7 8700F and 32GB of DDR5, this machine absolutely crushes. 4K video editing, streaming and game capture, 3D rendering, heavy multitasking. This is perfect for creators who want to work hard and play even harder. Ice emoji, cooling, design, and ports. MSI's Codex Z2 doesn't just perform, it looks the part too. Sleek mid-tower chassis with RGB lighting. Optimized airflow and quiet cooling for sustained performance. Easy access to ports including USB Type-C, USB 3.2, HDMI, and display port. VR ready, plug in your headset and dive into immersive worlds. White check mark emoji, final verdict. The MSI Codex Z2 2025 is one of the best bang for your buck gaming desktops right now. You're getting white check mark emoji, 8-core Ryzen power. White check mark emoji, RTX 5070 GPU for serious gaming. White check mark emoji, 32GB of blazing fast DDR5. White check mark emoji, 2TB of fast storage. White check mark emoji, VR ready, future-proof setup. Whether you're gaming, streaming, editing, or all three, this desktop is ready to handle it all without breaking a sweat. Fire emoji, like this review? Smash that like button, subscribe for more deep dive tech breakdowns, and drop a comment. What game would you play first on the Codex Z2? And don't forget, click the link below to pick it up at the best deal available right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Victory hand emoji.